Well, hello friends. Happy New Year. And if Christmas was anything like mine, you were often blessed with lots of new gadgets and gizmos out there, compliments of your local outfitter or maybe even Amazon. This was kind of a new product that was given to me as a gift. It's a little mini barbecue, a little car baby mini barbecue that collapses all down and then folds up to form a kind of a nice portable above the ground grill system. So I thought I'd give this a little unboxing and see what it looks like and how it works. Okay, as I was just showing to the camera, little mini barbecue. I guess car baby may be the brand name. But look at this. Opens up into a little mini barbecue system above ground, so you're not kind of affecting the ground underneath your fire pit, and also makes it somewhat portable to carry whether it's burning or not. So let's get in the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so the weight is 1,830 grams, packing size 360 by 50 by 200 millimeters. I'll put all the conversions up on the side here for you in inches for those people that need it in inches, but we'll also take a measuring tape and go through that. It's got a nice little carry strap. Looks like an over-the-shoulder strap that's adjustable. And a nylon case with a zipper top. And all the parts out here. There we go. Okay, so we've got some different grill components. Top grill, interior grill, and this is the kind of stainless container. Heavy duty construction here on the base. This is quite substantial. You can see the little hinge plates there in the corners. So that all collapses down and opens up. And they claim that these little areas on the side can be used as handles. I'm not sure if I got enough room on top of this thing. Well, let's try. We'll get it set up anyways. And this is all collapsed down. Opens up. I'm not sure. I guess we can orient it any way we like. Maybe those open holes toward the handle grips. Actually, probably away from the handle grips would make more sense to protect your hands. And then this little container goes down inside here. Maybe we'll give you a top-down view as I assemble this. Little base plate in the bottom. And then there's this rack. It's more or less for coals and putting your wood right on there. Big holes in the bottom for lots of air and circulation. And then this bifold grill, and yeah, I guess you have to kind of turn it so the hinge is facing upwards, and that just sits on there like that. I don't know, I'm not sure how it would hold a very weighty item. I'm going to try it other way around. Well, that was pretty good. But again, if you had a big heavy pot, a 2-liter pot or something like that, that might be a little much for this to handle. Obviously some steaks or kebabs or burgers or something like that might be a little more suitable. So what we'll do is try to give this its first burn and see if we can get it hot enough to boil a kettle of water or be in a position to cook something on. Close this up, and I think what you could probably do as well is just put it on half and then be able to continue to reach in here and feed the fuel. I think I'm going to play with that setup a little bit here to see, because that makes perhaps a little more sense. What I'm noticing is if you have to put the grill on, it's good to have the hinge side go away from the hinges. If I put it on here in line with the sides that hinge, it really wants to flex it out. So we're going to push off on the sides that are solid and not flexible, and then from there hopefully be able to put something on it like such. Alright, I think we'll get some tinder and we'll give this a go. Just grabbing a number of just remnants and pieces on the bottom of the wood pile floor here. Lots of little pieces of cedar. And we can fluff that up a little bit. Everything's pretty damp today. It's just above 0. We can see some melting this morning, and we'll see if that takes a spark. And we'll maybe put it on the ground until we get something going here, first of all. Put birch bark there in the bottom. The wood pile makes it pretty easy to light. Handles make it quite nice to carry. So while that's getting started, I'll give it an overall measurement here. It's about a foot square. It is a foot square and roughly 9 inches tall. Gotta keep working on this fire here, or it's gonna go out. So it's a wise idea every time you have a new piece of equipment, new piece of gear, certainly anything that's comes in a manufactured container, that you always give it a quick burn at home to make sure any chemicals that are on the metal have a chance to burn off. any coatings or treatments, and so that's the purpose of today. So things are a little damp out here, but nothing that a little cedar can't remedy. Snap, snap. Yeah, this is stable enough where it is, so I can probably be able to cook on it here shortly. It's getting lots of draft from the bottom, you can see down here. I'll try to get the grill on the one side of it here. I guess what you must ask yourself, for what reason would this style of barbecue be good for? Well, certainly it collapses down. Now it is a little weighty, but to give you this barbecue probably away from home, certainly car camping, perhaps canoe camping, it would be it's a nice change. I think the biggest thing is maybe it's not a bushcraft tool or maybe it's not a bushcraft accessory in the sense of the word, but at least gives you that opportunity, for example, in maybe conditions where it's deep snow or a very, very flammable floor of the environment you're in. It gives you that kind of up and off the ground opportunity to cook. I think one of the big ideas is obviously the portability and collapsibility of it, but you're not worrying about making a fire pit. I don't suppose it's a worry so much as it is just to have a fire without scarring the ground. And I know if you've ever been on some of these kind of outback kind of canoe campsites and wilderness sites, sometimes you go there and there is kind of abandoned scars, and where somebody has made a fire pit and hasn't kept to a consistent location as the site was laid out, and they've moved and brought rocks from the creek or river and made their own fire to suit them, and that's obviously really unfortunate. But this would allow you to have that fire almost anywhere on that big kind of granite rock outcropping, Algonquin Park, or any number of parks where you don't have to worry about making that fire pit and certainly scarring the ground with that rock face. So in terms of no trace camping, I think that's where this product definitely shines. Carefully move that down here and take my whole barbecue, move it down on the ground. It would actually be nice to sit around that, to be honest. You could probably put a number of pieces of wood in there. But right now we're going to have our little coffee. I don't have a stir stick. Well, friends, cheers to 2022. It's certainly been a tough one. 2021 was hard, but we'll come out of this stronger than ever on the other side. And just stick with each other, get in the outdoors, enjoy your time with friends and family, and we'll see you on the other side for sure. Thanks for watching. I know coming up in the 2022, we've got lots of new things. Hopefully, some unboxings. If suckers like me end up buying some of these kind of cool products on Amazon or whatnot, and seeing a need and seeing how they work. Certainly, today was an experiment of that sort, but I think there's a place for it. So we'll definitely keep it as part of the kit, and you may see it in the video coming soon. For 2022, I challenge you to get outside, get in the woods, and certainly, if nothing else, get in your shop and try your hand at making some various tools and implements for the outdoors, bushcraft or otherwise. It's super satisfying to do that, learn from other people, and definitely try your hand at making some of these different things. Hopefully in the near future, I'll be using exclusively products that I've made, albeit some things are fairly difficult to replicate in nature, including cooking containers. It's not impossible, but it's just really hard. And yeah, again, try your hand in making some of these different DIY projects. Many videos on my channel all about doing just that. So definitely have a look at that. Check in the comments below and the videos up top, and you'll see some of those opportunities for you. Anyways, Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your outdoors, right? We'll see you again. Bye for now. Happy 2022.